Good day mga ple, dahil nasa patahian pa yung pinaka-fabric ng owning, gagawa muna tayo ngayon ng roof rack. Yeah, ito nga pala yung drawing na design natin ng roof rack natin. Yan. Hindi mo alam kung saan yung harapan, ba? Sa mga ka-drawing lang, pwede na yan. Ito naman po yung kakapitan niyan. Ito dito sa taas. Makakabit natin yan mamaya. Yan. Okay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
Itong ang welder, si Batot. Okay. Bali yung bakal na to is 1x2 1.2 mm. Tapos na ang ating roof rack DIY top load sa Starex. Ayan o. Ipinturahan ko na lang yan. Pinapatuyo natin yan yung top load natin na pininturahan. Diyan natin lalagay yan, no? Nakakabit natin bukas. Okay. Kakabit natin ngayon yung ating roof rack sa crossbar. Balik mo nila ang stainless na hindi siya kalagaran sa bubong ng Starex. 6 na piraso, mabot ng 200. Kakabit natin. Okay, tapos ko ng roof rack. Ito ang DIY roof rack natin. Lalagyan natin sa bubong. Ang nasa 5 kilos at 6 kilos lang ito. Ang lalagyan natin. Bit natin! Kala ng mga bata, sikat na ako. May mga audience eh. Ano namahal po? Ano namahal po? Mo ang beat. Oh, shout out Basketball. Tapos na ang ating roof rack top load na DIY. Ang gamit kong bakal dyan is 1x1, 1.2 mm, tsaka isang 1x2, 1.2 mm. Yan po ang ating DIY na top load. Tapos sa kanan naman, dyan natin ilalagay yung owning tent. Yan.